Disney will spend tens of millions on Johnny Depp's return in Pirates of the Caribbean 6. The Walt Disney Company will pay a hefty price for Johnny Depp to reprise his role as Captain Jack Sparrow in upcoming Pirates of the Caribbean films. Since the last time Johnny Depp appeared as Captain Jack Sparrow on the big screen, a long time has passed. One of the most well-known and adored movie characters, Johnny Depp's Jack Sparrow first appeared 20 years ago in the Walt Disney Company and producer Jerry Bruckheimer's Pirates of the Caribbean: The Curse of the Black Pearl. A Hollywood star's appearance in the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise became his most lucrative project to date, giving rise to 4 sequels: Pirates of the Caribbean, Dead Man's Chest, Pirates of the Caribbean, At World's End, Pirates of the Caribbean, On Stranger Tides, and Pirates of the Caribbean, Dead Men Tell No Tales. This is despite Disney's hesitation to cast Depp and their concerns about his interpretation of the role. In many of the films, he appeared alongside Keira Knightley as Elizabeth Swann and Orlando Bloom as Will Turner. Depp received a multi-million-dollar compensation for the Pirates films, making him one of Hollywood's highest-paid performers. Even now, many people consider Depp's portrayal of Jack Sparrow to be his best. His portrayal of Captain Jack Sparrow will end in recent years as a result of the actor's numerous legal issues. From the high-profile defamation lawsuit in Fairfax County, Virginia, to the libel trial at London's High Court, the legal battles caused him to be exiled from Hollywood and lose his roles as Jack Sparrow and the evil wizard Gellert Grindelwald in J.K. Rowling's Fantastic Beasts films for Warner Bros. Depp's legal disputes, which spanned years and countries and were centered on accusations of domestic violence, both originated from his relationship with, marriage to, and divorce from fellow actor Amber Heard, whom he met on the set of The Rum Diary. The British publication The Sun claimed that Depp was a wife-beater, which prompted the libel trial in July 2020 in the United Kingdom. In front of Justice Andrew Nicol at the London High Court, both Depp and Heard gave testimony. Depp ultimately lost the case because the judge deemed many of the allegations of domestic abuse to be substantially true. Depp's appeal request was denied in 2021, and last year the two were back in court together, but this time in the United States. Heard filed this defamation action after writing an op-ed about how she had experienced domestic and sexual abuse in the Washington Post. Heard filed a $100 million countersuit after Depp filed a $50 million lawsuit. The jury determined Heard had in fact slandered the Pirates of the Caribbean actor after 6 weeks of deliberations before Judge Penny Ascaret, awarding him $10 million in compensatory damages and $5 million in punitive damages. According to Virginia state law, this was reduced to $350,000. Heard, on the other hand, received no punitive damages and a compensatory damages judgment of $2 million. Depp was questioned about his stance on joining Pirates by Heard's attorney, Ben Rottenborn, during the defamation trial. The truth is, Mr. Depp, nothing on earth would convince you to return and collaborate with Disney on a Pirates of the Caribbean movie even if they offered you $300 million and a million alpacas. Correct. The performer then retorted, "That is true, Mr. Rottenborn." But since then, Depp seems to have changed his mind about playing Captain Jack Sparrow again, according to insiders close to the actor, who claim that he would now be open to doing so. In March, producer of the Pirates franchise Jerry Bruckheimer stated that production on Pirates of the Caribbean 6 was underway and that he would love to